Alrighty, got a little piece of mail here. Let's see who it's from. It says, "To the Madman." It says, "Thanks for being my first tube fan. Much love, brother. Ezra, the American Pidller." Now, how's that for an unboxing? Yep, his first true YouTube fan. Been following this guy for a while. Love his videos. He also gives great support. Needless to say, this is definitely going to be going on something very important. Might even have to build a little box for it to preserve it. Thank you, Ezra, American Pidller. Keep on piddling.